Benang Kelambu Waterfall, nestled in the heart of Lombok, Indonesia.
I get the road, huh? Woo. I feel like a monkey when I'm hanging on this. Yeah, Tarzan. Yeah, you can be Tarzan here, huh? Hanging all around. Oh, yeah. What? Yeah, they're coming from that road. They're going opposite. But that water is different. That water, when I touch with my hands become like different. I don't know. It's not salty, but yeah, for sure it's coming from the mountain. I feel like something, maybe high mineral inside. I don't know. And cold water. Yeah, this is the last waterfall. One of the hidden ones. Wow! Let's take a short video.
Benang Kelambu Waterfall, nestled in the heart of Lombok, Indonesia, is a breathtaking gem that captivates visitors with its enchanting beauty. As you approach, the sound of cascading water fills the air, creating a serene backdrop that instantly soothes the soul. The waterfall's delicate streams flow gracefully down the rocks, resembling fine threads of a mosquito net, and are framed by lush greenery, making it a picturesque escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. This tranquil spot is perfect for families seeking a memorable outing. The short trek to the falls is manageable and offers a chance to bond over nature, with children marveling at the sights and sounds along the way. Once there, families can splash in the refreshing pools, take stunning photos, and even enjoy a picnic amidst the stunning landscape. With its safe environment and serene ambiance, Benang Kelambu is not just a destination. It's an experience that creates lasting memories for families exploring the natural wonders of Lombok.